Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. This pile here is getting a little unorganized, and I originally put a lot of them in the garage, but they stay out here majority of the time, so I'm gonna do some research and figure out how to hang them up outside. That was some pretty fast and easy research. I really like this Anna White video, and we'll probably do something similar. There are vertical options, and this PVC pipe one is kind of cool. I'm gonna go see what kind of scraps we have in the garage. Let's get to work. I consulted the wife. She wants the tools to go over here. Luckily, we have some pressure treated lumber from the raised garden beds. Let's figure out how to get it fastened to the wall. First mistake. We are going to Home Depot. I thought these 3-inch wood screws would be enough to go through the stucco and into the studs, but it is quite weak. So we're going to go pick up some 4-inch wood screws. Be right back. We are good with this piece up top. There are 8 fasteners. I am going to start ripping that one into 1 inch or 1.5 inch segments. These were the 3.5 inch fasteners. I initially wanted to get 4 inches, but thought 3.5 would work. Let's make some cuts. I tried to cut all of these square, and they will be fastened to this piece here, and 2 of them will hold the tool. I don't know which one's going to go where. Going to start placing them on there. Here is where we are currently at. It's looking pretty good. I really want to have this one out here with its brothers and sisters, but electronics and outdoors, probably not a good idea. We're gonna put a plastic bag over it, and hopefully it doesn't die on us. So I guess we are all done with video number 60. I am sure you guys can hear our neighbors are having a party. We love living here and listening to the live music. I